debe chocar aquí. No agarra nada, ¿ok? ¿Qué? Ah, no, thank you. Esos son los que te dicen que los agarres y después te quieren comprar. We are at the River Walk and we're gonna be doing the
boat tour.
The Gold River, San Antonio River.
Corrígeme, Ceci, corrígeme. We're doing the boat tour. ¿Qué vamos a hacer? ¿Did I say it right or not? Dime, doña, no sabe qué.
¿Cómo que? ¿Qué tal si no hay space? Pues no. Van llegando. Van llegando.
Alright guys, welcome. My name is Steven. I'll take you on about a 2.5 mile journey, about 30 minutes your time. Some quick rules, make mine really quick. Please don't stand at any time. You can use these wooden rails. Make sure you keep all your body parts inside the boat. Don't smoke nothing. Nothing. If it smells like Willie Nelson, it's still going to be this congeniality starts on your boat. I can do that dance too. On the right is the Briscoe Western Art Museum, named in honor of a former Texas governor named Don Briscoe. Pretty cool sculpture to the right. It's called the Hertzberg Circus Museum. Decent. I've never hit anybody's head on this bridge. Not on this one. How many times? Not even once. Not even one time. Turn around, quick. Look over on the right, there's a sculpture that sits on a little island we call Marriage Island. Centuries, people get married on this island because they think it's gonna be lucky. My brother's been married there 3 times already. It was lucky in a way though. It was an upgrade every time. You will see gargoyles hanging out on the side. Did y'all see Ghostbusters? You did? Yeah, that ain't the building. That's in New York. Really creepy about this building. Look right above the tree line. In groups of 2, you're going to see ugly, evil faces. Y'all see those ugly, evil faces? Notice when the man is happy, the woman is not. And then look at the next set. When the woman is happy, the man is not. When do they both get happy at the same time? Look on the side. That's right, when they're socially distanced. That's what y'all was thinking?
Why are you laughing, Maya?
Straight in front of us, please do not get you a room there for the night. You will not allow you to stay there. Oh, no, you will not. Why? Because that is the Bexar County Courthouse.
Oh.
Built way back in 1897, made of red sandstone and Texas granite. The building itself looks like a big ship, like a Titanic ship, actually. This will be the front, like I'm king of the world, and the top part is the back of the ship, like it's coming in. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, if you got a couple margaritas in you, you can see it real good. little restaurant called, yeah, it's called Huckle's Place. Down fast, this floodgate, like a guillotine. Looks like one too, don't it? Every day at 5:25 p.m. they drop it and test it. Make sure it's working just right. 5:25 p.m. every day. Right here, just in case of heavy floods, that's what comes down. Deck, and then right below it is a restaurant that revolves around one time every hour. Brand new sculpture here that we're walking in front of us. Interpretation, but don't worry, I came up with the story for you. It goes like this. Stargazer, she's a very lonely woman. She sits down, she looks through a little marble star, it's got a hole in it. She isolates one star, then she wonders if the love of her life could be looking at the same star she is at the moment. Aww. I say she'd be able to catch her a man if she just put on some lotion. That's what she's made out of, some ash from a volcano in Mexico. They call this the most dangerous part of the river. Now why do I say that? Hey, we're headed into the mall.
¿Te recuerda a esta? Me recordó a esta. Come on.
Mommy, look down.
Okay, ya.
It's not like,
Wow.
wow, yeah. Ya no, cuando estás ahí, I mean, ahí me dio rico. ¿Eh? You're gonna get one? And then should I
Okay.
give you?
Yeah. Behind me? Ay, me espantaste.
Back at the hotel, they wanted to go to the pool. They did.
Go jump.
It was so cold.
Jimena, stop. She acts like a little kid, like, I want someone to play with me.
I do. Come on, let's go.
No thanks. ¿De cómo te vas a bañar?
Ya no. Pero es for warmer cuando te vas a bañar.
¿La miras?
Whenever you edit this, add a little sound coming. At 3, okay? On God?
Oh, no.